Okay, so this look is because of Drea Renee. Drea challenged me. Well, she didn't challenge me, but she asked me, could I do like a mint chocolate eye look? So I said, sure, because I bought like, some that's meant to be, and I got some. So I was like, okay, let me see what I can do, because this isn't a look that I've really ever done, like a mint chocolate vibe. So anyway, now with her telling me to do it though, I kind of got inspired. So I'm doing two mint chocolate looks. So this is the first one right here, and so then you will see the other look after this one. So you're going to first see me doing this look. I'm going to show you the eye look, how I did this eye look, and then we will go into the next eye look after that, because hey, what the heck, we going mint chocolate all day long. I'm calling it the mint chocolate double dip. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, go on, stay here, don't go nowhere. I don't know why I say that shit. Y'all know, don't just keep watching the damn video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to tape off my eyes this time because I want a really defined eyeshadow. And so to do that, the trick is to tape it onto your hand at first, just to get off some of the stickiness so it's not quite so sticky. And then you want to just place it exactly right so that you will get a good line. All right, so I'm going to use Juvia's Place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with Berry Mousse, which is a kind of beigey, almost my skin tone, just to like give myself a base right there. So yeah, you see I'm doing that. Ooh, yes, there we go. And so that's for my transition and my brow bone and things. Then I decided, okay, well, I need to give myself a little more color, so then I went with Crepes. And this is the Deuce palette, by the way. So I'm using Crepes in the to give myself a little more definition when I start doing this. So that's what I'm doing there. All right, so now I'm gonna start putting in the mint chocolate chip, and that is macaron. And so I'm putting that in the inner half of my eye, and I'm bringing it up because I want it to be, I want to make sure y'all see that mint chocolate look, that mint look I got going on. So I'm taking that kind of high up into my crease. How's y'all life been treating you? My birthday's coming up. If you watch this when I first put it on. Anyway, I'm just kind of low-key excited to hang out with y'all for my birthday. So I'm like, doing a little blending. Now I'm putting in chocolate, which is that deep dark chocolate in the Deuce palette. Oh, look at that. And so now I'm gonna make sure that it's very much I'm trying to blend, because when you're doing something this intense with color, you need to make sure you're blending. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make sure my blend is good and it makes sense as a look. So I'm gonna bring a little bit of the chocolate over into the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out pretty good, especially blend the edges. And that's the trick, is blending them edges. Blend your edges, girl, blend them. And so now I am going to work on the other eye right now. All right, so next up I am using chocolate as an eyeliner. So I decided to just use that as my eyeliner instead of trying to get some more get brown eyeliner. I went with just using the same exact brown eyeshadow as my eyeliner. Duh, Louise, can you say anything right? All right, so now we're gonna lift it up, and you're gonna see that it's really it's really defined and gave me that look. So that's it, and then I'm gonna show you the final look. Now, of course, you've seen it already, but here we go with my extraness. Okay, so now here is the finished look. Yep, I love it. It came out so cute. Thank you, Drea, for asking me to try this because I never would have done it, but it's real nice. I like it. Yep, I'm feeling myself all extra. Thanks. Here comes the next look. All right, here is the second look in our mint chocolate double dip. As I'm doing it, you're gonna see, here's the thing you're gonna learn watching me do this, is that sometimes when you do things like do your eyes, they look terrible until you finish your whole look. So I gotta be honest, I almost took this off, but then I said, you know, let's just keep it going and see how it works. And I think the whole look turned out good. Now, did it look crazy when I was doing it? It absolutely did. It absolutely did. But I really like the end results. So here we go into mint chocolate double dip. See ya. Okay, so now I'm using the ColourPop Meant to Be, and the first color I'm using is Seltzer, and that's gonna be all up in my brow bone, going down into my crease as my transition color. So that's the first thing I'm doing, is using, you know, the ColourPop, and that's Seltzer, and it's a kind of a light minty, you know, it's not super light, but it's, you know, gonna give me that base. Now this is gonna be a pretty much all matte look, just with a little inner corner. So this is all mattes I'm using. So I'm really want to make sure that I got this, and I packed it on because I wanted it to, you know, be the what you saw at the top, and then drink a little water. Y'all know how I feel about my water. Now I'm going to use what is this one? It is, let me see the name of it. It's Ice Cold. That's it. Ice Cold in the Crease. Woo, it took me a minute, baby. My eyes. Okay. Ice Cold in the Crease. And that's to like give me the kind of gradient effect of the greens. So it would be, you know, it would be so stark and everything. And I just really wanted to have this kind of effect. We'll see. Okay. Now, at this point, I really like it. So now I'm going to clean up my eyes. I cleaned up my eyes just a little bit, my lids a little bit. And now I'm starting to put the chocolate in. Trying to layer that chocolate matte in for the lid, so I could have this kind of, you know, kind of a smoky chocolate chip, you know, mint chocolate eye look. That's where I was going with this. So yeah, so that's where I went with it. And at this point, I look like I've been punched in the eye. I mean, let's just talk about this. Right now, it looks like I've been punched in the damn eye. So I was about to like say, well, maybe I shouldn't wear this look. Whew, because I was really looking like, yeah, this was, yeah. Y'all, I mean, just being honest. But like I said, sometimes you have to just muscle through and say, let me just see how this look is gonna look, because I could always rinse it all off, because auntie, I almost rinsed this whole thing off. So now I'm trying to, like, you know, just create that blend with the icy cold, I guess it's called ice cold. So, you know, I'm trying to blend at the top so it's not such a harsh line. So that's what I'm doing right now. And just know, sometimes you just got to keep blending and keep blending till you get the blend right. Don't y'all love it when it's real fast? It looks just crazy, crazy, crazy. So then I decided to use berry mousse and kind of bring down the chocolate just a little bit. So I tapped just a little bit of the berry mousse on it just to bring it down, so it wasn't quite such a stark contrast between the green and the chocolate. So yeah, that kind of works. So here we go to the look. All right, so here is the finished look. And once I put all of my makeup on, I really do like it. Let me know what you think about these looks. If you have any other looks you all are thinking about you might want me to try, let me know. All right, that's it. As always, be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Talk to you later.